This is the Algo Futures Trader Weekly Market Roundup, and just a few trades last week, all in the M2K or in the MNQ. And this was Wednesday's trade in the M2K. It was the first trade of the week there. The initial trade was a short trade here, stopped on about took about half a stop there, and then reshorted here, got the first target and stopped on a trail. Again, that was Wednesday. And then I believe we also had on Thursday a short signal here, got the first target, and then again stop on the last. And I believe that was all the trades in M2K for the week there. The rest were all in the NASDAQ, and I'm going to show you. This is the NASDAQ. This was actually with the filter, the TrendOmeter here. I'll show you some of those trades, and this TrendOmeter looks for the strength of the trend. This is set where all these, your AFT percent, the bias, confirmation, the average, all have to hit 50, a plus 50 or minus 50 for it to generate trade signals. So this was Monday. It generated, so there were other trades here that went off but didn't meet the criteria with the TrendOmeter filter on. This third one here did, and took the first target here, and then I manually exited near the end of the day on that last contract. All right, this was Tuesday. It got short Tuesday. It took a first target and then a stop on the trail. And then later in the day, it went long here. Looks like I just manually closed it out there. Looks like that's what I did. And then got short here, first target, and stopped on the second, and then got long here. And I immediately closed that out because I didn't want to, it was too late in the day. You see what time it was here. And so I just manually closed out of that. There were, looks like a short trade here, first target, and then stop on the last there, another short here later, a first target, and then close the second leg of that just after I think the news came out. And let's see, there's a number of trades here. This was an entry and then stop. This was an entry. The trailing stop got hit on the first two contracts, and then stopped on a trail on the last contract. Long again, first target, stop just about break even there. And then this got short here. It stopped on two. Looks like reshorted and target there. A lot of trades here. Short, this was right off the open. First target and stopped, it looks like, on the last contract. And then this was Friday. So Friday, this was a decent trade. We started Monday with a great trade and ended the week with a nice trade. This was a short signal, so it ignored the long signal, didn't meet the criteria with the TrendOmeter on, but did take the short here, hit the first target, and I manually exited the second just before the news came out, and just ended the day nice and green on a Friday. And that were basically all the trades. So here are the numbers for the week in the trading room in the Discord server. Again, 8:15 through 8:19. You see the net profit there. About 64% winners versus losers. And here's the equity graph here in terms set to currency. So you can see what that looks like. So not too bad for the week. Hopefully we'll have another good week coming up here. But you can join us in the Discord server. It's free. All we do is try to get on the right side of the market early in the morning, usually that first trade out of the gate. In that first hour and a half maybe. You can also download the software for free. Hopefully we're going to have a release of AFT 8 for NinjaTrader 8 shortly, so stay tuned for that. All right. Have a great trading week, everybody. We'll see you next week.